In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a freebie with Mailerlite. We will walk through the basic setup inside Mailerlite, starting with your subscriber organization and then moving into the form setup. The goal is to make sure that when someone signs up for your freebie, they are placed into the correct subscriber group. This helps keep your audience organized from the very beginning. First, log into your Mailerlite account. Once you are inside the dashboard, take a moment to look at the main navigation menu. This is where you will find the different areas of your account, including subscribers, forms, and sites. For this setup, you are going to begin in the subscribers area because that is where your audience lists and groups are managed. Navigate to the subscribers tab. This section is where Mailerlite stores the people who join your email list. It is also where you can create groups, which are useful for separating subscribers based on how they joined, what they requested, or what type of content they are interested in. Since this freebie will have its own sign-up path, creating a group for it will make everything much easier to manage later. Once you are in the subscribers area, click on Groups. This will open the part of Mailerlite where your subscriber groups are listed. If you already have groups in your account, you may see them displayed here. If this is your first time setting up a freebie, this area may look fairly simple. Either way, you are looking for the option to create a new group. Click Create Group. This is the button that allows you to make a new subscriber group specifically for this freebie. Creating a separate group is helpful because it gives you a clear way to identify people who signed up through this particular offer. It also gives you a cleaner setup if you decide to send emails to this group in the future. Next, name your group. Choose a name that clearly identifies the freebie so you can recognize it later inside your account. The group name is mostly for your own organization, so make it simple and descriptive. Avoid using private or sensitive information in the name. A clear label will help you quickly understand which subscribers came from this specific form. After you have entered the group name, click Create. Mailerlite will now add this group to your account. At this point, you have created the place where new subscribers from your freebie form will be stored. This is an important foundation before building the form itself, because the form needs to know where to send each new subscriber. Now that the group is ready, you can move on to creating the form or sign-up page. Go to the Forms or Sites tab depending on how your Mailerlite account is organized and which option you plan to use. This is the area where you can create the sign-up experience that people will use when they request your freebie. Once you are in the Forms or Sites area, click Create. This begins the process of making a new form. The form is what your audience will use to enter their information and join your list. Since this form is connected to your freebie, it should be easy for you to identify inside Mailerlite. Name your form, just like the group name. The form name should be clear and easy to recognize. This name helps you manage your forms inside your account, especially if you create more sign-up forms later. Keep it simple and connected to the freebie so you can quickly find it when needed. After naming the form, select the subscriber group you created earlier. This connects the form to the correct group. When someone signs up through this form, Mailerlite will know to place that subscriber into the group you selected. This is the key connection that keeps your freebie subscribers organized. Once the group is selected, you have completed the main setup covered in this tutorial. You started by logging into Mailerlite, created a dedicated subscriber group, and then began creating a form connected to that group. That covers everything you need to know.